Are you preparing to install a sprinkler system or just replace some pop-ups and you're tired of the cheapy ones at the hardware stores or the home centers? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you the best ones and where to get them. Tom Lanier here with Sprinkler Pros. Be sure to stick around to the end of this short video to get your free download to help you identify what kind of sprinklers you have and what kind you should consider when you replace them. In a previous video that I will provide the link for, I showed the different types of sprinkler heads. I only use one brand, the Hunter Pro Spray series. I am not being endorsed by Hunter. I have no affiliation with them. It's just this is what I have found with my experience. This is the toughest pop-up in the industry, hands down. Unlike the others, it's made of ABS material, which is the same material as sewer pipes, and you don't want that bursting. These pop-ups can withstand over 600 pounds of pressure, unlike its closest competitors. You'll never have a sprinkler system with that much pressure, but at least it's comforting to know you'll never have to worry about these babies bursting. The next thing is the white co-molded wiper seal. By experience, I can tell you this far outlasts the competition. And the last thing is the spring. It is the tightest spring out there, which is important to make sure that for years to come it will retract out of the way of mowers and feet under normal conditions. Beyond the standard model that comes in pop-up heights of 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12 inches, it's also available in models that include built-in pressure regulators. The PRS 30, which has a 30 psi pressure regulator, and the PRS 40, which has a 40 psi pressure regulator. The 30 psi model is intended for use with standard nozzles, and the PRS 40 is mainly designed for Hunter's MP rotator nozzles. There are some exceptions to these that I will go over in another video. The PRS series pop-up are great for keeping the pressure consistent from the first head to the last head on each line. It also gives greater performance for the sprays. If they have too much pressure, the spray will just turn into a fog and the spray droplets cannot reach the distance they're intended to, which will lead to dry areas in the lawn. One thing to consider before using these PRS pop-ups is whether you have sufficient pressure in your system at the source and whether you have too many pop-ups on each line. If you don't have enough pressure, pop-ups with pressure regulating devices built in may be a huge disadvantage. As mentioned in a previous video, if you're needing a spray head on a tall riser above grade, a pop-up is not the answer. See that video for a proper explanation and solution. In the next video, I will show you the best pop-up nozzles to accompany these pop-up sprinkler heads. Don't assume you know, because I'm sure my answer will surprise you. I have insights from using these in the field all these years that you will want to learn. Okay, now where can you get these awesome pop-up sprinkler heads? Well, just click on the resources link below and I will send you in the right direction. By purchasing your products through my resources page, you help me bring you more of these insightful videos from an industry professional with over 3 decades of experience in the field. I'll be releasing more best of videos, so be sure to like and subscribe and click the bell to be notified when the next videos are available. I have a free download that can help you with this. This is the one I told you about at the beginning of the video. This free download has photos of the recommended pop-up sprinkler heads. Just click down below. What sprinkler system questions do you have that you'd like a video for? Let me know in the comment section below. See you next time.